Good day, everyone. Let me quickly use this opportunity to present to you one of my best cure for cough and catarrh. Each time I have these symptoms of cough and catarrh, the first thing that comes to my mind is to go get bitter kola and tom tom. When I get bitter kola and tom tom, this is it. This is bitter kola and this is tom tom. I peel this primary package out of this tom tom and also peel the back of this bitter kola and chew both together and swallow. My brother, it works. The cough and catarrh, fiam, is gone. Try it, bitter kola and tom tom. It works. Try it and appreciate Kola T Sam. And please, for our customers who are willing to invest and transact with Afekafe Microfinance Bank, please don't forget to visit any of our branches for your financial consultation. Please visit any of our branches at Auchi in Akoko, Edo State. God bless you and have a lovely week.